Welcome to a quick whirlwind tour of the top 5 tips and tricks for traveling to the breathtaking island of Santorini, Greece. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. Timing is everything. Aim for shoulder seasons, late spring and early fall, when the weather's warm, but the crowds have thinned out. 2. Get around with ease. Skip taxis and opt for renting a car, ATV, or scooter for a more authentic and flexible experience. 3. Explore beyond the tourist hotspots. Visit Akrotiri, an ancient Minoan city, or hike from Fira to Oya for an unforgettable view. 4. Eat like a local. Don't miss out on local delicacies such as fava, a dish made from yellow split peas, and the sweet treat, loukoumades. 5. Pack wisely. Include a good pair of comfortable shoes, sunblock, and a hat for those sunny Greek days. And there you have it. 5 quick tips to enhance your Santorini adventure. Enjoy the journey and remember, for more travel hacks, hints, and tips, hit like and subscribe.